How to fix Shopee free shipping not applying. So if the free shipping on the Shopee app is not getting applied, what are the things that you can do? So the first thing you have to check is if you meet the free shipping requirements. So not all the products that you purchase on Shopee has free shipping. Now, only if the store owner or if Shopee is offering free shipping, only then you will get it. But if they are offering and you're not getting it, then you must make sure to meet the eligibility requirements. So if I go to my cart over here and you maybe add a product, sometimes you might not be able to have a free shipping unless you have added a product that meets the minimum spending requirements. So maybe there's free shipping on only orders above to 400 or 500 rupees or something like that. So as long as you meet the minimum requirements, only then you'll enable it. To check if you've applied the eligible vouchers, tap on Shopee Vouchers from the bottom and you'll be able to see your shopping discount of to 500 off a minimum spend this much and all of these options here, and you'll be able to see if there is any type of free shipping available and you'll be able to apply them. And when you've done that, you can tap on the checkout button as you'd be able to see. And once you tap the checkout button, you'll be able to make sure to enable free shipping. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.